Straight, don't know, you know.
The first time I saw Invasion, I saw him with the cast on his leg performing at Big Yard. And I hit him up, I said, yo, dog, that girl a wicked tune, wicked.
You know, saying in real life though, I have a situation where I meet this girl in the town. You see me and she give me a wrong number and I say, yo, I preach for about a week and I saw the inspiration of the song forward. I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but I know so them
Boom. And he was like, yeah man, I'm ready for work. And then we linked up. Next time I came to Jamaica, I was here for my birthday. We linked up, we went to the studio. And you know, we've been in touch ever since.
So since you turn a big artist with this wicked song based on this girl and never give you the number, the girl reach out to you?
No, you know, so I don't want she reach out in real life. That she go out and what she did though. Invasion.
2021 has been, I would say, up in the air and trying to stay focused. It's very important because, you know, it's not like I'm just like a fan of it and I'm just like, yeah, I heard a couple reggae songs, like it's in my blood, you know what I'm saying? I grew up, my father, he had a sound called Love Injection. And so I always saw DJing, I always used to watch the Clashes, the Stings, and Sunsplash. And it just always inspired me and gave me that energy. I feel like that's why I have the energy that I have now, because it's still in my brain. Like even when I go out there and just do anything, it's like I kind of subconsciously see it and feel it. So I just always want to, you know, try to spread just the vibe of Jamaica on a, you know, a national platform any way I can. Cause I just feel like the people need to hear it and they need to see it. I just dropped a new project called I Don't Give a called IDG. And that's out on all platforms right now. I just dropped it 2 weeks ago. It's 11 tracks, and I'm just pushing that. I'm shooting videos, and everything is on my Instagram, so it's all out there. And I promote it there. I think any artists out there who just, you know, in a situation where they feel like they kind of stuck in this pandemic, I feel like this is a time where we should be creating more than anything, especially when you're locked in. Like in the beginning when the pandemic first hit, it was like everybody was confused, nobody really knew what was what, so we didn't know what to do. We were so scared to be around people. But now we just see that, you know, it's just a big hoax from Babylon and the government just trying to stop us.
If baby got bad credit, then the ship sank.
What makes me intense is I'm just a very intense person, full of tenacity. I just love to just live life. I like to be happy. I don't like to dwell on negativity. I just like to always be positive and see the bright side of things. And life is too short. There's a lot of situations that we saw happen in 2020, you know, especially after losing Kobe, and just the way certain people just drop out. It's like, you just really never know. So you really gotta live every day like it's your last, live it to the best, and just, you know, keep it intense.